In terms of appearance, there are few overall changes to the new car and it retains the design elements of the fuel-powered version. But some details, such as the front fascia, have been changed to the latest family-style design style. The flat waterfall grille has the logo and the vertical bars are all chrome-plated and looks quite visual. At the same time, the headlights on both sides adopt a split design, the subframe adopts a pass-through type air intake, and is equipped with silver fenders to show an SUV style. The side view will give people the feeling of a very large appearance. The waistline of the new car reflects a strong sense of muscle. The door handles adopt a traditional style and the roof is equipped with a chrome luggage rack. In terms of body size, the new car's length, width and height are 4995 mm *1960 mm *1760 mm, and its wheelbase provides a 6-seat and 7-seat layout respectively. As for the design on the tail, it gives people a feeling of weight. The through-tail light cluster is quite eye-catching and well recognized when illuminated. In addition, the roof of the new car adopts a large spoiler design, combined with the two-sided dual-outlet exhaust pattern decorated with chrome plating at the bottom, giving a good sporty feeling. Of course, there's the PHEV logo hanging on the back. In terms of the interior, the overall design layout continues the style of the fuel version, and the center console area is equipped with a large-sized LCD screen. In addition, the new car is equipped with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel and a specially shaped electronic gear knob. At the same time, the entire car is covered with large leather surfaces and some areas, such as the seats, are also covered. It is also equipped with diamond stitching, which is very suitable for current vehicle use. The new car is equipped with a 2.0L engine with a maximum power of 163 horsepower. The battery pack uses ternary lithium batteries supplied by CATL. The two-wheel drive model has a pure electric cruising range of 92 kilometers. The drive model has a pure electric cruising range of 92 kilometers and 83 kilometers. The fuel consumption of the two-wheel drive version is 5.98 L/100 kilometers. The fuel consumption of the four-wheel drive version is 6.32 L/100 kilometers and the maximum speed is 180 kilometers per hour.